Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know many of you are craving something hot, crispy and comforting, especially in this rainy season. So today I'm back with delicious crispy bread roll recipe that's juicy and cheesy on inside and perfectly golden on outside. So let's get started. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to a hot pan. I'm using olive oil here, but feel free to use any oil you prefer. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Just wait for that amazing aroma to fill your kitchen. Next, let's add 1 big diced onion and saute it until it becomes translucent. Let me know in the comment what your favorite monsoon snack. These bread rolls are one of my top picks. Now add 200 grams of shredded chicken and saute it well. Chicken makes the filling hearty and protein rich, but you can also try this with paneer or veggies if you're a vegetarian. It's time to add the spices. Add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of Szechuan sauce for that extra kick. Mix everything nicely so the flavors blend together. It's already looking super tempting, right? Now add some chopped capsicum for a little crunch and freshness. This also adds nice color and aroma to the filling. I want to remind you, if you are enjoying the recipe so far, do give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more such tasty snacks. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can add more if you like it creamier. Then sprinkle in half a teaspoon of oregano. Mix it all together. And if you are like me and love cheesy fillings, go ahead and add 1 slice of cheese and mix it in. Look at that. So creamy, cheesy, flavorful, our filling is ready. Now let's prepare the bread. Cut off the brown sides of the bread slices. Take off the slice and flatten it using the rolling pin. If your bread isn't soft enough and keeps breaking, just steam it for 2 to 3 minutes. It will become soft and fresh again. Now apply a paste of flour and water on the edges. This will help to seal. Place a spoonful of fillings in the center. Spread it a little and roll it up gently like this. Repeat the same for the rest of the slice. This is a good time to grab a family member to help if you are making a big batch. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add salt to taste and bit of pepper powder. Beat it well. Now dip each roll into this egg mixture and then roll it in breadcrumbs to coat it completely. Make sure that breadcrumbs fill the sides so they are sealed. Repeat the same for all the rolls. Look how beautiful and uniform they are. Now it's time to fry. Heat oil in the pan. Add the rolls one by one into the oil. Fry them all the sides until they turn golden brown and crispy. Once they are evenly browned, take them out and place it on the tissue to drain any excess oil. There you go. Our crispy golden bread rolls are ready to serve. They are crunchy outside, cheesy and juicy inside. Every bite is packed with flavors and texture is so satisfying. Perfect for tea time snack, parties, or even if you're just craving something delicious on a cozy day at home. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. If you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.